Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on hammer mill. But before starting to our today's presentation, if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe by clicking on subscribe button for latest updates and videos. And do watch this video to get more information about hammer mill. So, after watching this video, the learners will be able to understand the principle of hammer mill, then construction, explain the construction and working of hammer mill. So, starting with the principle. So, hammer mill works on the principle of impact. That is, impact it occurs when the material is more or less stationary and it is hit by an object moving at high speed. So now let us see the construction of hammer mill. So it consists of a stout metal casing enclosing a central shaft, and to the shaft 4 or more swinging hammers are attached. Then the lower part of the casing consists of a screen through which, the lower part of the casing consists of a screen, and through the screen the material can pass and collected in a suitable receiver when the desired degree of size reduction is reached. So in construction we have seen that the hammer mill consists of a metal casing, stout metal casing, and it is enclosing a central shaft, and to the shaft 4 or more swinging hammers are attached, and at the lower part of the casing, metal casing, there is a screen attached, and through this screen the material can pass and it is collected in a suitable receiver when the desired degree of size reduction is reached. So this was about the construction of hammer mill. Now let us see the working of hammer mill. First, the material is put into the hopper. The material whose size reduction is to be done, that is put into the hopper, which is connected with the drum. Then the material is powdered to the desired size due to the fast rotation of hammers. The material is powdered, the size reduction of the material is done due to the fast rotation of hammers and is collected under the screen. Then now this hammer mill has the advantage of continuous operation. It is not a batch operation, it is a continuous operation. This is the advantage because the chance of jamming is less as the hammers are not fixed. Chances of jamming is less here in hammer mill as the hammers are not fixed. Then the mill can produce coarse to moderately fine powders. Now due to the high speed of operation, heat is generated. The heat is generated, and which may affect the thermolabile drugs or materials. Now the high speed operation also causes damage to the mill. If the high speed operation, it may cause the damage to the mill if the foreign object such as stone or metal is present in the feed. So this was about the working of hammer mill. Now let us see the diagram and the actual working of hammer mill. So you can see here the material is put into the hopper, and this hopper is attached to the drum. Now the material whose size reduction is to be done, it comes in contact with these hammers, and the material is powdered into desired size due to the fast rotation of the hammers, and these size reduced material is collected into the this material passes through the screen and it is collected into the receiver. So there are different parts of hammer mill. That is, it has a stout metal casing. Okay, then this is the shaft. To the shaft the hammers are attached. Okay, then at the lower part of the casing the screen is attached, through which the size reduced material of the desired size is passed. Okay, and this is the hopper. So this is the working of hammer mill. Now let us see the uses of hammer mill. Okay, now the hammer mill is used for producing intermediate grades of powders. Okay, the hammer mill is used for producing intermediate grades of powder from almost all types of substances except sticky material that choke the screen. So this was about the uses of hammer mill. So thank you for your patience listening. If you like this video, then press like button and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest updates and videos. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.